Wax on, wax off, wax on. Kadeers, baby, I'm your motivation.
Hello world, this is ML. I am back with another video blog, but this time I'll be doing an unboxing on a credit card by Chase called Inc. Business Preferred. Now I am excited that I received this. Thank you, Chase. I appreciate you guys. So anyhow, you need to spend 5,000 US dollars for the first 3 months in order for you to get the 80,000 points. There's no foreign transaction fees, so if you go anywhere in the world that takes Visa, there's no foreign transaction fees, which means there's no international fees. Usually international fees will cost you 3% for every transaction. So just basically 3 cents for every dollar. Okay, now it might not be a lot, but if you keep swiping your cards, you could accumulate a big fee. That comes a long way in terms of savings. On the application form, it will ask you how much does your business earn, how much do you earn personally, your social security number, and your tax ID, or should I say your business tax ID number. So you might want to get those ready whenever you apply for a business credit card. Alright, so on to the unboxing. It says my name and my company's name. Alright, it comes on this envelope. I shall open. Yep, and it is the card. So it comes. Let me just hide the name and number. So here it is, guys. Okay. Now, Chase gave me a $5,000 credit limit. Okay. So the card doesn't feel like my Chase Sapphire Preferred. It doesn't feel metal. It's just an average plastic. You know, feels like a plastic average credit card, I guess. So I don't know if I should show this, but yeah, there you go. Boom. I'm excited. My Chase Business Credit Card. Inc. Business Preferred by Chase. Okay. So nothing spectacular. It came with this. It came with a with the agreement, business card agreement rates. Okay. So usually for the annual percentage rate is the purchase annual percentage rate, 22.99%. Okay. Also, there is a fee, a yearly fee. Okay. There's no waiving fee for the first year. The first year you'll get charged $95. Okay, for the fee, because it says it here. Annual membership fee is $95. Okay. Penalty fees, late fees, or late payment will be $39. Return payment will be $39. Return check, none. Okay. Grace period, due date will be a minimum of 20 days after the close of each billing cycle. Okay. It comes with this, I guess, a manual. Alright. Power your business potential with Chase Inc. Business Preferred. So we get 3 points per dollar. This is great. This is actually better than my Chase Sapphire Preferred card, which only gives 2 for certain categories though. on the first 150,000 spent in combined purchases in the following categories each count anniversary year. So you could spend it on travel, including airfare, hotels, rent cars, train tickets and taxis, shipping purchases, internet, cable TV, and phone services, advertising purchases made with social media sites and search engines such as Google AdWords or Facebook. So these categories that I just mentioned uh, will earn you 3 points for every dollar spent, which is great. Okay, so 1 point per dollar, unlimited 1 point per dollar spent on all other purchases. Points do not expire, which is also great, as long as your account remains open. Not bad. So your points are worth 25% more when you redeem for airfare, hotels, car rentals, and cruises through Chase Ultimate Rewards. For example, 50,000 points are worth $625 towards travel with no restrictions or blackout dates. Transfer points to a leading frequent travel programs at full one-to-one value. That means 1,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points equal 1,000 partner miles points, which is great. They're not gonna penalize you for transferring points. That's a plus. Cash back and more. Redeem for cash, gift cards, shop for points at Amazon.com and more. Which I would never do because I feel like you will gain more and you will benefit more from a credit card if you are to redeem for your travel. Okay, because traveling is not cheap. All right, you need money to travel. So built-in premium benefits. Okay, you could shop confidently, travel confidently, purchase protection, zero liability protection, fraud early warning protection, trip cancellation, trip interruption insurance, auto rental collision damage waiver, cell phone protection. So for the, as far as I know, auto rental collision, when you rent a car, when we rented a car in California, we didn't apply for any additional insurance because your credit card or my credit card, which is Chase Sapphire Preferred, will cover some protection. So you need to look into it. And as far as the cell phone protection, if you purchase your cell phone with this credit card, you are protected up to $600, as far as my understanding. But I have to look into that. So online and mobile account management, all right, and yeah, it just tells you all these things. And another business card agreement. Okay. Just in case you didn't see it. Okay, on the back it tells you earn reward on every purchase. Okay. And another I guess manual. And a few more. And last but not least, another brochure. There you go. So that's the unboxing of my Chase Credit Card Inc. Business Preferred. For any viewers, if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment on the comment section and I'll definitely reply. So once again, if you like this video, please like. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel, KadeersTV. Please follow me on Instagram and Twitter at ML for sure, at ML for sure. Also, follow the clothing brand DOSOS. Okay, DOSOS clothing. at DOSOS Clothing. Once again, on IG, Pinterest, Twitter, and Tumblr at DOSOS Clothing. Also, check out the online site. Maybe you might find something that you like, man. Just message me as well, and I'll give you a promo code, up to 25% off. All right, www.dosos.clothing. That's www.dosos.clothing. Anyone in New York State looking for some rentals, looking to rent out their property, please contact me. I will leave my contact information on the description below this video. Okay, if anyone is interested of buying and selling properties, I am licensed through the state of New York. All right, so just message me, man. Message me, and let's see if I can help you. Okay, let's see if I can help you obtain whatever that you're looking for in the real estate industry. All right. So once again, man, this is ML. Hello, world. Bye, world. Peace.
Wax on, wax off, wax on, Kadeers. Baby, I'm your motivation.